Good day. We are live right now here at the Palm Springs Hotel, where the United Nations Special Committee on Decolonization, also known as the C24, has officially opened the Pacific Regional Seminar on the Fourth International Decade for the eradication of colonialism. Today marks day one, Wednesday, 21st May 2025, and it began with an official opening ceremony. Delegates from across the Pacific, the UN, and the non-self-governing territories gathered to reaffirm their stand commitment to ending colonialism in all its forms. The morning session featured a key introductory statement, including an official opening remarks by His Excellency the President of the Republic, José Ramos-Horta, and the chair of the C24, Minister Rambali. Present at the stand was the Timor Leste's Minister for Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, as well as the Permanent Ambassador for Timor-Leste in the UN, the UN Secretariat, representatives of the host country Timor-Leste, and officials from the UN system, emphasizing the importance of self-determination, partnership, and also ensuring that decolonization leads to sustainable development for future generations. This was followed by the adoption of the seminar program, and then the floor was opened for the general debate. Representatives from various territories, administering powers, and experts offered insight into the challenges and progress in their regions.
I also extend sincere thanks to all C24 members for accepting Timor Leste's offer to serve as host. Your trust and collaboration reflect a shared commitment to justice, dignity, and self-determination for all people living under colonial administration. For us in Timor-Leste, the subject of decolonization is not abstract. It is deeply personal. Our journey was long and painful, hundreds of years, with all that was bad, but with many that was good. Sometimes the bad is overtaken by the good, in that colonization contributed to the forging of the stronger national identity, language, religion. It was also a journey defined by hope, unity, and unwavering will of our people. Our independence in 2002 was not only a triumph for Timor-Leste, it was a reaffirmation of the principles enshrined in the United Nations Charter. Today, as we gather in this historic setting, we remember that our story is only one among many. Across the world, there are still non-self-governing territories striving for recognition, autonomy, and the right to determine their own future. Their circumstances may differ, but the values and aspirations at the heart of their movement are universal. The global decolonization agenda experienced progress and inevitable setbacks. While some territories have moved closer to realizing their political aspirations, others face complex legal, political, social, socio-economic obstacles. This seminar presents a timely opportunity to assess the current landscape, identify persistent challenges, strengthen our collective resolve to support those who remain disfranchised. For Timor-Leste, aligning such aspirations with self-determination means that all people who aspire to self-determination must be consulted and heard before making a decision. Self-determination must not be imposed from the outside by others, and it cannot be imposed. Over the coming days, the seminar will engage critical conversations aimed at fostering dialogue, sharing best practices, examining effective support mechanisms. It will also explore new and strategic initiatives, innovative approaches, reflecting contemporary decolonization efforts evolving reality. Let us seize this moment to advance practical and principled solutions that honor the rights and voices of all people. Timor Leste comes to this forum not only as a beneficiary of international solidarity, but also as a committed partner in the cause of decolonization. Our experience has taught us the value of perseverance, diplomacy, inclusive nation building. We are ready and willing to contribute what we have learned, offering technical expertise, advocacy, cooperative support to those who continue their journeys towards self-determination. Let us all affirm the power of regional cooperation. In the Pacific and beyond, our collective strength lies in our unity. We can amplify our voices, promote regional peace and stability, and build resilient alliances for justice. Solidarity among our nations is a strategy and a principle rooted in shared history, values, and vision. Let us listen with empathy, speak with courage, and act purposefully. Let us propose clear and actionable commitments that will extend beyond these 3 days. Concrete steps that will carry our mission forward in meaningful and lasting ways. In closing, I invite all of us to work towards a colonized region defined not only by colonial legacies, but by sovereign choices, sustainable development, and enduring peace. Thank you for being here, for your dedication to this noble cause. On behalf of the people, government of Timor Leste, I wish you all a productive, inspiring, successful seminar. And I'm honored to officially open the 2025 Pacific Regional Seminar of the United Nations Special Committee on Decolonization with these words. May our discussion be fruitful, our partnership strengthened, our commitment to decolonization remains unwavering. Obrigado. Thank you. Merci. Muchas gracias. Terima kasih.
Mr. President, we have journeyed from more than 40 countries around the globe to be here in Timor-Leste and to participate in this important seminar. Today, the seminar welcomes more than 100 participants. We acknowledge that the seminar takes place at an important time and occasion for the people of Timor-Leste. Yesterday, we had the distinct honor of joining you, Mr. President, in commemorating the 23rd anniversary of Timor-Leste's restoration of independence. It was a moment to reflect on the nation's remarkable journey from a non-self-governing territory to a proud and sovereign country. In May 2002, acting on the recommendations of the Special Committee on Decolonization, the General Assembly formally removed East Timor from the list of non-self-governing territories. As you remarked in your address yesterday, our seminar takes place at a particularly symbolic time as you celebrate 23 years since the restoration of your independence. Timor-Leste, a country that has experienced decolonization firsthand. We acknowledge and welcome your spirit of solidarity, responsibility, and hope. We note that this year marks the 65th anniversary of the Declaration on the Granting of Independence to Colonial Countries and Peoples. The Committee's steadfast commitment to the implementation of the Declaration ensured that the voices of the Timorese people were heard and that their aspirations fulfilled. Your journey stands as a powerful testament to the enduring principles of self-determination and international solidarity. So on behalf of all participants, it is my honor to extend our sincere congratulations to our host, the government and people of Timor-Leste on the occasion of your anniversary of the restoration of independence. Please join me in giving a round of applause.
Timor-Leste was part of the Commission for so many years, since 1960s. And we are lucky to have been privileged to be in the agenda as one of the main agendas in 1999 during the chairmanship of Secretary General Kofi Annan. We became independent later on, but so now it's time for us to contribute, to be as part of this committee, to seek ideas, to get ideas and information, and in the end, of course, this will contribute to shaping up the whole process of colonization, and which of course will be very important for the committee to discuss back in New York.
And also throughout the day, the focus remains on how the decolonization process can align with social economics and cultural development, echoing the seminar's central theme, which is pathways to a sustainable future. We'll continue to follow this important regional event as it unfolds, with an in-depth coverage of the thematic discussions and statements from the territories still on the UN's decolonization list. I'm Digna Sarang, reporting for TATOLI.